I congratulate Safran for choosing Hyderabad for such big investment. Thank you for your trust and continued partnership with Telangana. This new facility marks an important milestone for Telangana's growth in aerospace and defense. It is the first ever maintenance, repair, and overall MRO center for LEAP engines in India. This facility will employ over 1,000 skilled technicians and engineers. It creates new business opportunities for our local MSMEs and precision engineering companies. Today, we also lay foundation for Safran M88 military engine MRO. This MRO will support Indian Air Force and Indian Navy. Hyderabad is a major aerospace and defense hub for India. We have more than 25 major global companies and over 1,500 MSMEs.